Founded in 1984, China Xinxing Import and Export Co., Ltd. was initially affiliated to the General Logistics Department of the Chinese People's Liberation Army and was transferred to the State-Owned Asset Supervision and Administration Commission of the State Council in 1998 and became a large state-owned company specializing in military supplies and logistics equipment based on government authorization exclusively. With tremendous strength, China Xinxing Import and Export Co., Ltd. covers many facilities across China. Over the years, it has supplied high-quality and diversified products for the military and police authorities from dozens of countries and won their unanimous acclaim. We have visited many countries in Africa, Latin America, Europe, Middle East, and Asia to negotiate business with their military and police authorities, and have also invited the military and police officials from the above countries to visit us and our facilities. We use new raw materials and advanced manufacturing process in product production, endowing the products with diversified variety, rich patterns, and top quality. Each of our facilities, equipped with the world's most advanced manufacturing equipment for full automatic production or semi-automatic production, has a first-rate management team and top-notch technical professionals, focusing on providing armed forces and functional departments of all countries with high-quality clothes and accessories. With endless pursuit of innovation, China Xinxing has made a breakthrough in the development of fabrics and produced many kinds of functional fabrics in line with international standards, which diversifies the product area. We have personalized customization centers and professional design teams, and can produce customized clothing and accessories requested by clients. We are committed to satisfying the personalized needs of all clients and providing them with the most considerate and professional services. Shoes and boots, as an important component of our products, are mainly supplied to armed forces, police and security authorities of all countries. We have set up many shoes and boots R&D centers and manufacturing bases equipped with advanced automatic CNC equipment across the country, which effectively enhances the overall quality and appearance of shoes and boots. Basing on the current development direction and overwhelming trend of international military shoes and boots, China Xinxing is dedicated to offering the military and police departments of all countries professional and personalized shoes and boots solutions through constant R&D innovation, and to promoting transformation and upgrading of the shoes and boots of relevant departments. We have solid technical force in producing harness and tactical equipment, and own more than one manufacturing base equipment with cutting-edge equipment contributing to unique manufacturing process and innovative techniques. Our harness and tactical equipment have diversified varieties and reliable quality. All exported products are subject to advanced technical processing and quality inspection according to international environmental standards. Our user-friendly design has significantly improved the predictability and convenience of products. And more importantly, we try to make the products as light as possible under the precondition of ensuring the durability, so soldiers may act quickly and efficiently during fighting or training. Thanks to its tactical experience, China Xinxing is well known as the leader in the industry with its own intellectual property rights. In fact, we have applied for patents for all the bulletproof products. Thus, we are an enterprise with strength in both R&D and production of bulletproof products. Our high-safety bulletproof products are qualified by more than one quality supervision department in China and comply with the standards of bulletproof institutions of all countries in the world. Adhering to the principle of taking responsibility for every user's life, we have always put more emphasis on technological innovation and kept developing products with less weight and higher bulletproof performance, so as to protect the user to the greatest extent. Police products are also our main product category. With excellent quality, good reputation, and best export services, our police products are extremely popular with international military and police merchants, especially the Ministries of Interior and administrative departments of many countries in the recent 20 years. We are committed to enhancing the law enforcement capacity of police with high technologies and providing the most comprehensive and practical military equipment for the Ministries of Interior and related departments of all countries. China Xinxing has set up special departments for the development of military and police vehicle technologies, built a complete industry chain of automobile manufacturing and import-export services, and also expanded it to the field of special vehicles strategically. Adhering to the concept of professionalism, service orientation, internationalization, and low carbon, we devote to develop to be a leading international automobile manufacturer and service provider, providing technological, safe, quality, and environmental solutions for military and police authorities of all countries in an all-round manner. In addition to the above, we've also developed a variety of battlefield equipment with the goal of providing the most sufficient and comprehensive logistics support for field forces. China Xinxing has always preserved in the business philosophy of reputation first, quality first, and devoted its utmost to build the first brand in the industry by offering first-class techniques, products, and services, and to establish the image of stressing reputation and quality. We hereby sincerely invite our respectable new and old clients at home and abroad to negotiate business, visit our facilities, or carry out extensive cooperation in military supplies, logistics equipment, and other projects.